How's it going, bros? My name is Peter Pan. I moved office again, as you can see, for another time. I'm in this new space. It's pretty cool. It's my own space. It's definitely my place.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
This is mine! My padded cell.
I knew you were insane. I knew you were one of those people with We're gonna do 5 weird stuff online with Jack Spadaxing. Item number 1.
What are you gonna start with?
I don't know. Let's go with the biggest. I have this bag of a bunch of shit I bought online.
Oh my god, Santa Sama!
Okay, let's start with something lame, but I kind of want to try it out.
What's it called? Airzuka!
Yeah!
It's like twice the size of that kid.
Yeah, I feel like the scale is not
Perspective.
not that. So this is an bazooka. Oh, this seems like too much effort to put together.
No, it looks cool. The fuck is all this? Looks like something that fucking Mega Man uses.
It does, yeah, actually. Maybe I should read the instructions. Are you ready to get air zooked? What are you doing?
I'm zooking. Bazinga.
Bazinga! Are you ready to get air zooked, bruh? How?
No, you have to pull like this.
I know that. Oh shit! Okay, I get it. How close?
I don't know.
Are you scared
Like
now,
a-
Vaughn?
like a fucking-
You were making fun of it before. I can see your stupid face through here as well.
Oh my god!
Was it bad?
Just boom!
Oh shit! No! Okay, hit me, bro. Hit me. I'm ready, boy. I'm ready.
You blink, you lose. This thing fucking sucks!
Ah! Oh, thank God there was cover here. Did you break it for real?
No, oh yeah. That works really well.
Do it. Jesus.
It's the sound as well.
Yeah, it kind of scares you. 3, 2, 1.
Ah!
Yeah!
Oh, don't look at me.
How do I look like?
Oh, I'm so fucking weird. Come close to the camera.
I can't see anything.
Okay, too close, too close. You're good. Oh my god.
I can't even see myself through the. Oh my God! Your outfit?
Really nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, very flowy.
Very nice.